For Joshua Garcia, PH's letter O It's Okay to Not Be Okay highlights beauty of Visayas. Manila, for Kapamilya Joshua Garcia, the Philippine adaptation of the hit K-drama series, It's Okay to Not Be Okay, highlights the beauty of Visayas. After renewing his contract with ABS-CBN, Garcia shared that they have shot scenes in Iloilo, Dumaguete, and Bacolod. Ang ganda rin kasi parang bago siya sa camera, bago siya sa visual, bago siya sa amin. Of course, kasi sanay kaming palaging shoot sa Manila, around Manila or mga probinsya dito malapit sa Manila, the actor said. I think maganda kasi na ipapakita natin doon sa adaptation ng Filipino na may ganito palang lugar sa atin, he added. Asked how will the Philippine adaptation will be different, Garcia said, similar story, of course, pero dinagdagan namin siya ng Filipino touch. Ang daming kakaibang elements na nagdagdag na pumapayag naman yung mga taga-Korea. He also shared his plans in the future. I'm planning to do another movie next year, hindi lang pa alam kung sa online streaming platform siya or sa mainstream. Marami akong mga out-of-town shows, nakakapunta ako sa mga probinsya na hindi natin napupuntahan. Abangan nyo yung TikTok ko baka mamaya sumayaw ako, the actor added in jest. Garcia rose to fame as a housemate in Pinoy Big Brother, All In 2014. His latest project was the box office hit, Happy For You, with ex-girlfriend Julia Barreto.